Hey pool owners, it's Rob with Inyo Pools. Today we're going to show you how to install a Trydent heat pump. This particular model is 140,000 BTUs. Today we're going to go ahead and do the plumbing, and then we're going to have an electrician come in tomorrow and finish it up. But let's get started. Okay, the first thing you want to do is find a spot to install the heat pump. We've got an area here, and we're going to level it and put down a concrete pad. You want to make sure that the heat pump is at least 24 inches away from the wall, 24 inches away from any other obstruction. And you want at least 48 inches above the unit for clearance. And we've obviously got it close to the pump and filter, so this is our designated area. But let's go ahead and get the concrete laid down. Okay, we've got the concrete pad down, it's leveled. We're going to bring the heat pump and position it over the concrete pad. The plumbing ports at the bottom of the heat pump are going to be facing towards the equipment, and the digital display is going to be facing the opposite way. All right, we've got the heat pump in place, and now what we're going to do is we're going to pull the unions that come with the heat pump out of the unit. And what you have to do is there's 6 screws that hold in a panel over the ports, and you remove those 6 screws, pop the panel off, and then you'll find a bag with the unions inside, and those unions will be threaded on to the in and out port. All right, so we got the heat pump plumbed in. So you can see it's coming out of the filter, into the intake of the heat pump, and then out. We've gone ahead and put a bypass in. It's not necessary, but we recommend it. So basically we'll have the ability to completely shut off the heat pump. If when it's, in the middle of the summer, you're not going to need it. So we have the ability to turn it off. We also have the ability to, if for whatever reason the pump is putting out too much water, you can allow it to just let enough water in for it to operate. The heat pump operates between 40 and 80 gallons per minute. So this allows you to adjust the flow as well. Next up will be the electricity, and we have an electrician coming to help us out with that. Okay, so the electrician is finished up. They put in a 50 amp breaker over the box, ran 8-gauge wire through the conduit over to the heat pump. There's a knockout down at the bottom, and they did the conduit adapter there. Ran the wires up into the control box, and it's a real simple wiring process. There's an L1 and L2 connection. You'll connect one hot line to L1, the other one to L2, and then the green to the ground. And after that, they bonded the unit. So there's a bonding lug to the right of the inlet and outlet ports, and then you just run that back to anywhere where you have a bonding lug. So your pool pump, anything else electrical by your equipment should have a bonding wire. So you just connect it to a bonding lug and connect everything together. And that's all you need to do as far as the wiring. We definitely recommend, if it's a new unit and you didn't have a heat pump before, we definitely recommend hiring an electrician. If you're replacing a heat pump, that's a personal call. I mean, if the power's already there, it's not too complicated of a process to wire it. Next up, we'll go ahead and turn it on and see how she runs. All right, once the power is turned on, you'll notice the digital display light up with a temperature reading. We'll just go over a couple of the basic settings. To turn the unit on and off, you'd press this power button. To go through the different settings, you just click on menu, and then the first one there is set temperature. And you would click the right arrow to get to the pool temperature screen. And then you just click up or down to change the temperature reading. Right now it's at 85, but you can go down or up. And then to confirm it, you just hit the left arrow to get back to the main screen. And then you have a pool or spa mode. And again, you just click to the right. Right now it's on spa. You can change it to pool. Click the left setting, and that's going to turn the unit on. There's also a daily timer feature. You can set it to turn the heat pump on and off automatically. Then there's various settings throughout here. You know, the Wi-Fi, input settings, all of that you can read through the manual for more information. But this will get you a basic understanding of how to operate the controls on the heat pump. And then just click menu again to get back to the main screen. All right, we've got the heat pump turned on, the fan's running, compressor's running, it's pushing out hot water. So everything's working well. If you have any questions about how to install a Trydent heat pump, leave a comment down below or visit us over at InyoPools.com. Thanks.